Hello everyone, welcome back to Shivak Tutorials. In this video, we are going to make a tic-tac-toe game in Scratch. Just like a very easy game, and I will be explaining everything in detail. So let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to do is delete this sprite, and we will just paint a new sprite right here. And what we are going to do is just make a block first. So we go to its costume and make a square like rectangle like thing, and just make a nice cube like this, and please make it like 60 or 60 by 60, so it will be just in like, it will be just like good, or you can just make anything like bigger or smaller as per your knowledge or everything. Remember, it doesn't need any border. And first I will take it to the center of a screen like this, and just make it 60 by 60 by like this, and this, and a little bit. Nice. Now once you have got your 60 by 60 cube, what you can do is first drag it to the center of our screen. Now what you can do is just duplicate this, add a text right here, right over here, and X, and make it white or any color that you want. So white and little bigger like this. So this will be your X costume, so name it X, and we'll make a duplicate of this and name it Y like that. Sorry, O, my fault. O, so X and O, we have our X and O right here, and we can just name this O, and this one blank, and we'll name this sprite or block 1. Nice. So first we'll code for block 1, then what we can do is code for all our other blocks. So the block 1 should go right here when it starts, so we'll just use when green flag clicked. It should go to motion and go to x minus 83 and y 70. Next, what is going to happen is that when this first what we'll do is go to our variables and make a variable chance. Nice. Then what we are going to do is first set chance to x. Then what we are going to do is when this sprite clicked, we are going to go to events, and when this sprite clicked, we are going to go to looks and switch costume to, we go to variables and chance, and set, and we are going to add a if. We go to controls and we add a if. We go right here operators, we go to is equal to, we grab our chance, duplicate this. If chance is equal to x, then what is going to happen? If the chance is equal to x, then we'll go to variables and set chance to O, or else, oh sorry, just remove this and go to controls and take an if else and put it right here, set chance to O, or else set chance to x. We go to variable and set chance to x, and whenever the game starts, the costume should be blank. Now when we start this and we click on it, it's X, and we click it again, it must be O. So this is how it works, and just remember that we cannot change, right? So if it is X, we can't change it to O, or else it will be no point in the game. So when the sprite is clicked, switch costume to chance and all, and we will just do it later, that when it will be clicked, what should happen is when it is clicked for like a double time, then what should happen is it should just give a message that already clicked. So what is going to happen now is we'll just code this for every block so that this happens smoothly. So what we are going to do is duplicate this block 9 times, like this, this 4. I'll just duplicate it, and now that we have all blocks, block 1, block 2, block 3, like block 9, then we'll just position them. So after I position them, I'll just tell you quickly. Now that I have positioned the blocks, I'll just tell you that what are the numbers that you need. So for block 1 you know already. For block 2 is minus 14 and 70. For block 3 it is 57 and 70. For block 4 it is minus 83 and 3. For block 5 it is minus 13 and 3. For block 6 is 57 and 1. For 7 it is minus 82 and minus 69. For block 8 it is minus 10 and minus 69, and for block 9 it is 57 and minus 68. So right here what is happening is this, and remember one thing, that my block is 60 by 60 or 60 by 61 sometime. So this code is working because all my blocks are of the same size, and I used this, like this x and y positions, because my blocks are 60 by 60. If your blocks are more bigger, if you keep them more bigger, you will just need different x and y positions. So the next thing that you do is right click on this and make it a large readout and write here so that you can see whose chance is it, like x or o. Now when you start, the chances for x, now this game is pretty smooth, x o x o. So now how will you depict the winner? How will you know who's the winner? So to depict who's the winner, we will need a proper algorithm, like who is the winner is a proper algorithm. It's not easy to do, so we have to code it, and this is the main part that you all need to understand. So I think you can do it in the backdrops. Wait a minute, I will just check and tell you. Okay, so we can do it in background. So what we have to do is go to your backgrounds, go to events, and when green flag click, we're going to go a forever loop. We go to controls, we type forever, and what we are going to do is, suppose if x is in block number 1, block number what is this, 1 2 3 4 5 and 9, then it should change the value of winner to x and end the game. And if it is like 1 2 1 and 4 and 7, then also, then we have to code for x and o both. So what we are going to do for in forever loop, we're going to go with if. What we are going to do is, if we're going to go to operators, we take an and one more and, so that we have three points right here. We go to sensing, and if backdrop of stage, we go to operators, and we take this is equal to 3 times, like 1 2 and 3, and we also duplicate this 1 2 and 3. So now what we are going to do is just assume if it is this and this, like that. So backdrop of stage, and backdrop of stage right here. If not backdrop of stage, if we go block 1, costume name of block 1 is equal to x, costume name block 4, right? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Block 5, if costume name of block 5 equals x, and costume name of block 9 equals x, then what should happen? I'll just tell you like what we have to do. Now goes here, we'll just minus it, so we can like this thing goes here and this goes here. We take this whole thing and place it here. So if this thing happens, then what should happen is it can't say, right? It cannot say anything. So it will just broadcast a message, or no, what we'll do is make a variable. We will make a variable winner, and like this winner, okay, and set winner to x, like that, and we'll just wait. Why can't I see winner right here or on the screen? Wait. So you just make your winner variable visible and it comes right here. So set winner to x. Nice. So we'll just try it once. Okay, so the winner x is right here. So this thing works, and what should happen is one thing should come right here so that it can show that it's done. So what should happen is we just need another sprite. We are going here and we will just paint a sprite. What will happen is costume and make a line right there, like this, and just make it a little broader. Wait, I'll just select the line and make it more broad. Like that, and increase the length. When we take this, it should come right here. So what will happen is we will just make it straight like that, and we just need one line for everything. We go to backdrops and we go to code, and it should just broadcast a message. Like we go to events and broadcast message 1 and wait. So right here, if it receives message 1, when I receive message 1, what should happen is it should, for looks, it should show. We go right here, it should show, and it should go to motion, and it should point in direction. We go right here and we'll just set it like no. Like that. So when it will point in direction like that, and it should go right here. So we'll go to our costumes, and go to X like this and Y like this, and when green flag is clicked, it should not be seen. So it will go to looks and hide. Go right here and hide. So when we start our game, let's see, X O X O X. So the winner is X, and it is working properly right now. So this is for one condition. We have to code this for all the conditions. So we'll go to our backdrops and just duplicate this right here, and we go with O. We have our O. Just replace the X with O, and I am not sure if it's visible to you all, but okay, so we go like this and set winner to O, and it will just broadcast this same message because it's the same, right? So we take it right here, and what is going to happen is we go to variables, and when green flag is clicked, it should set a winner to not not unknown, sorry, unknown, like that. So when we start our game, it should now look like unknown, and the chance is it. We go like that and that and that and that. So, oh, okay, sorry. I just wanted to show you, right? So X should go here, O should go here, X here, over here, X here, and over. So winner O, and it's quite working properly right now because we have depicted it rightly. So the next thing that we are gonna do is, first we'll just complete off with the diagonals, right? So we need this diagonal also. Okay, so this diagonal we'll just code for that, and what is going to happen is we'll just duplicate this one right here and just stop this here for 1 minute. And for block 1, what we're going to do is, we don't need block 1 right now, we need block 3. So block 3, costume name of block 3 is equal to O. Block 3, block 5, costume name of block 5 is O, and costume name of block 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, block 7 is O, costume name. Then what should happen, it should broadcast another message, which is message 2, and winner should be O. So because it's O, right, so we'll just make for X also. We'll just duplicate this thing right here and take it like this, so we are not confused. It's like XO. Okay, so we just change it to X. I'll just do like that, so that then X and X. So it should come right here, and we go to our sprite, which is the line, and when I receive 2, when it receives 2, what should happen, it should just point in another direction right here, which should work properly, and it should go right here, and we'll just change this, go out, we go to motion and go to X minus 31 and Y 21, like that. Nice. So we'll check it out real quick, and for this, change this value to X. Now we can just do, so X O X O X. Nice, everything's working out quite nice till now. Let's check for O also, if anything should not be wrong, right? X O X O X O, winner O. Nice. Until now everything going on smooth. Just in the end of the video, what we are going to do is fix this problem. See, we're going to fix this problem, because now the winner can be changed. See, so what we are going to do is, just first, right now we'll just do what we are doing and depict all everything that could happen. So we have done the both diagonals. Now 1 2 3 and 4 5 6 remains, so 6 more things we have to do. So we'll just complete that, and I'll show you for one, like one, then you can do for this and this and this and this and this. So I'll just not waste your time right there. We'll just duplicate, oh sorry, we'll just duplicate this. So we got our 2 blocks, costume name of block. So what we're going to do is 1 4 and 7. For 1 4 and 7 we need, so block 1, costume name, so costume name block 1, costume name of block 4 and costume name of block 7 is equal to x, then what should happen is the winner should be x and new message should be broadcasted, which is 3, and here also 3, and costume name of block, wait, we'll just remove this and duplicate this and just change x with O. Nice. So we go here and just add it on here and O right here, and just change this x to O, and this should also work properly. Next, what we are going to do is, we are done with this. Now we'll just go to this sprite and duplicate this and go here, and it should point in direction straight, and it should go somewhere. Wait, no, point in direction, okay, like this. Okay, so go right here, so point in direction -90 and go to x this and y this. Okay, so it should happen like this when it receives message 3. So this will also work properly. We go to our backdrops, and just what we do is we'll duplicate this block right here, and for costume name of block, what we say, block 1, this is done, right? So what we'll do is go for this straight one. So it is 2, 5 and 8. So block 2, 5 and 8. Like that we have to do. Then what will happen is the same thing, just make a new message named 4. Okay, so we have the O one. Now we duplicate this, take it down here, just like that, take it right here and change the O with X. Okay, so what we are going to do is just change this O also with X and take this block, this light here, and this whole thing right here, and go right there, duplicate this, and when I receive 4, it should just go right here, which is x minus 41 and y 5. Okay, so this is also done. So just the last one and the horizontal ones. So I think you know how to do this right now. So it is a challenge for you all to do the last block, and if you are following the video and learning properly, then you know how to do the last block. So I think I should give you like to do on your own to do the last block, so you can do it on your own. So do the last block on your own, or I will just tell you. Okay, so I will just tell you because it's a tutorial, right? So it's okay. So we go for block 3, and you know which block we need next. Say, you know, right? Okay, right, block 6. And the last block, you also know that. Which block? Yes, speak aloud. Yes, block 9. And if we have just changed this exposition to costume name, and lastly costume name. Next, what we are gonna do is set winner to O and broadcast a new message, which is message 5. Nice. So we're gonna duplicate this right here and just change the O with the X. So when we are done doing it, what we need to do is just change this O also with X. Now we'll just go here like that and take this and put it in the forever loop. Now we go here and just do for the forever loop. We go here and duplicate it. We do this 5 and just take it right here, which is 28, and the y will remain same. Nice. Now we go to our backdrops again, and what you know, we will not continue in this because it's getting a little large for you all to understand, right? So it's very big right here. So for your better understanding, we'll just take a new. We go to events and we'll take this when green flag clicked. We take a forever loop and an if loop. So if not like that, we'll just duplicate it right from here. We have this, and now for the horizontal one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. It is quite easy for you to understand now. So we go for 1, we take this and go costume name. We go right here and take 2. We just select the costume name. We go right here and take 3, select costume name, and then winner O and broadcast a new message, which is 6. Pretty well going on like this. Now what we do is just duplicate this, take it right here, just change the O with X. Like that. Right here. So now we have our first horizontal one. Now we need more 2 of these horizontals. So we'll just quickly do that. We'll just duplicate this, take it right here. We'll just change the block to 4. We take this and change it to 4. We take the costume name, and then for all, which is 5, and for 6 also. Nice. And just make a new message, name 7. So we are almost there. And then a last one remaining. Then I will show you some more things that will improve our game. So we'll just repeat it right here and attach them both and just change the O to X. Like that. And a last horizontal row and we are done with it. So I think I have not done for the horizontals, right? 6, 7 is not done, so we'll just do it quickly. For the 6 and 7, we'll just duplicate this and take it down here so that you can see nicely. So when it receives 6, what should happen is it should point in direction 0 and go to a direction. Okay, so it should go right here on the sixth one, which is -2 and 94. And when it receives 7, sorry, and when it receives 7, it should go to like right here, which is -2 and 30. So like that. We are done, and just the last one, we are not done, sorry, the last one is remaining, and we have to fix one thing, right? You know what we have to fix. So we duplicate this, and for block 7, 8 and 9, so we change the X position to costume name, and costume name. So when this thing happens, oh wait, we did something very wrong. So the winner should set to X right here, O right here, X right here, and O right there. Nice. Okay. And it should broadcast a new message, which is message number 8. And just duplicate this right here, and just do this all the O to X. So please like and subscribe, because this requires a lot of lot of hard work to make these kinds of videos. And please subscribe. So we'll just change this to X also, and just we'll do right here. Wait. So you might be wondering that this game is so hard to make. Is there any easy way or something? So I chose the hard way because I know you all are beginners, and I am making a video for beginners. So I am explaining all the algorithms, that why it should happen and why this is happening, and the science behind it in deep, so that you know that what you are making and how you make it. So if someone asks you a question about it, you can easily explain what is happening. So it should work properly. And wait, I have to code for 8 1. So we duplicate this. Oh, we go right here, duplicate this right there, and we do that. When we receive 8, what should happen is it should go to X -2 and Y -33, or more down, -43. So now all the algorithms are done and should work properly. We'll just play a nice X and O game. Nice. We'll do that again. We'll just take everything, and so what should happen when it's a draw, that will just go to backdrops, and go right here, and we'll go to our, we'll just, we'll just change to draw, so that whenever it will just change. If it's nothing, it should draw like that. Nice. So till now the game is working. Then I will just tell you how to improve it. Now, how will you improve the game? So what will happen is, I'll just go to block 1, and when this right click, what you have to do is go to your looks, and what should happen is you will go right here and change color effect by, say, 10 when you start this. Oh, sorry, not when this right clicked. when touching mouse pointer. So we'll just uh, go to controls. We'll just take our forever loop. If we'll go right sensing, touching mouse pointer, change color effect by 10, and it should happen when the green flag is clicked. So right here. So what we'll just do is just make it a new thing, and we'll just give this to each and every block, if you know how to do it. So it should be here in block 2, like that. So I'll just do it for all the blocks. You also do that. So when you're done doing that, your game must look very fancy like this. So cool, right? It is looking so good. Ooh. So next what we are going to do is, let's say this thing should not happen. Okay, so like this thing should not happen. So for that, what we will do is we'll go right here. We'll go to events, and when green flag clicked, we'll take a forever loop. When green flag clicked forever, we'll take an if then, and what will happen is go to operators and take this and take this, and then we'll go to our what we say if yes sensing, and if touching mouse pointer, not touching mouse pointer, if yes, if touching mouse pointer and mouse down. So, and one more and we need one more and light here. If touching mouse pointer and mouse down, what should happen is this is, and what is this? We go to looks and we go down right there, and costume name is equal to, we go to operators, we take or equal to wait we can't input values, right? So what we do is take this right here. No, we can just do something easy. We just go to operators, take this not, we take this is equal to, if we go to our looks and take this costume number or name is equal to blank. So if these all things are true, then something should happen. What is just, it should say something. It goes to looks and say already taken, and this. So this is for block 9, right? So this is X, and wait, this can still be changed. So not switch costume. Okay, so it should not switch the costume. So it switches costume. So what should happen is it should directly go to the next costume. So what we have to do is we have to switch costume to not chance. Wait a minute. I have a great idea. We'll just not do this or this or this. We'll just go to our line costume and just go to our controls and stop all after everything happened. Stop all. Stop all. Stop all. Stop all. And stop all. Stop all. Stop all. And stop all. So now you can just play this like X O X O X O. So nobody is the winner. Draw. So you start again. X O X O X. And now what will O do? O and X. X is the winner. And everything is stopped. So you can do, but it's stopped. The game is stopped. Okay, so that's how you can make the tic-tac-toe game in Scratch very easily. And if you like this video, share to everyone and please subscribe and like my channel, as I make video for beginners and explain it nicely to all of them. And if you found this video helpful, please share to everyone and don't go on the duration please, because it's all about understanding. Have a good day.